Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sarah channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this little weave using a frame. It could be from the Dollar Tree or anywhere. And you're just going to need the edges of it, scissors, a crochet needle, and yarn of your choice. So I'm putting the green on here in kind of a zigzag pattern. I'm not tying anything. Right now I just have the first part tied to keep it on. And then I'm going to tie the last part, which is probably going to be right here. I tied the cream on in the opposite direction, and I'm just going to pull it through. So I finished the cream, weaving the cream through the green, but I didn't put enough green on there, so I'm going to see if I can add a little bit more green on the side. Maybe I'll push this over to one side and then just add another half. So I'm done weaving, and now I'm going to take this extra yarn that I have, and I'm just going to tie knots around the edges of the weave, and we're going to see how it looks. Now I'm going to cut off the yarn that's attached to the frame, and hopefully we'll have a nice little weave thingy here. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. I'm gonna cut these scragglies a little bit shorter. Maybe it'll look better. That looks nice. Oh wait. There we go, I'm all finished. This looks really nice. I didn't think it was actually gonna turn out this good. I didn't even know if this was gonna work. And I've decided that I'm going to use this to put under my mortar and pestle. It's really the only thing I can think of using it for, and I think it looks really nice. It's cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. And if you did, please like and subscribe for new videos every Saturday. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye!